Hello everyone, this is your English teacher from Welkin National School. Today we are going to learn English grammar from Standard First. See the lesson number 31, the use of and, A-N-D, and. The word and is used to join words and sentences. Tom and Jerry, for example, Tom and Jerry. Here two words are there, two names are there. Tom and Jerry. The word and is used to join words and sentences. हम लोग and कब use करते हैं? दो sentences और two words को join करने के लिए and को use करते हैं. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. Here two sentences are there. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. हम लोग एंड डाल के दो सेंटेंसेस को हम लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है. द सन इज शाइनिंग एंड द बर्ड्स आर सिंगिंग. हियर वन मोर एग्जांपल इज देयर. कप, सॉसर. कप एंड सॉसर. ग्रास, रोज. सो ग्रास एंड रोज. द ग्रास इज ग्रीन, द रोज इज रेड. Here two sentences. Now we have to join the two sentences with the help of and. The grass is green and the rose is red. So here one exercise is there. Join the following pairs of words using and. Bat, ball. Here picture is bat, ball. So bat and ball. Salt, pepper. Salt and pepper. Sword, shield. Sword and shield. Day, night. Day and night. Here one more exercise. B. Join the following pairs of sentences using and. He is a boy, she is a girl. Here two sentences are there, but we have to join the two sentences in one using and. He is a boy and she is a girl. Second one is dogs bark, cats meow. Dogs bark and cats meow. Like this we have to use the word of and. Learn this lesson. Now see the next lesson, that is lesson number 32. Where do we find them? Here are some words that show us where we find things or people. In, on, under, near. Exercise, fill in the blanks with in, on, under or near. These are the positions. First one, the cow is resting dash the tree. See the picture. With the help of the picture you have to write the correct word. Under the tree. Where is the cow? The cow is resting under the tree. Second one, the flowers are in the vase. See the picture here. Where is the flowers? Flowers are in the vase. Third one, the monkey is sitting on the tree. Here, on the tree. Tree के ऊपर बैठा है. The girl is standing near the window. The girl is standing near the window. The books are near the walls. Here. The basket is on the table. The bird in the nest. In its nest. The cat is under the table. Now see the next lesson, that is lesson number 33. Workers and their tools. In last standard, that is senior KG, we already learned about our community helpers. Right students? Now here about their tools. Workers and their tools. All workers use something to work with. The things they work with are known as tools. Each tool has a name. A teacher uses chalk and a blackboard. The worker, जो भी workers काम करते तो वो लोग क्या use करते? They are using some things. The things they are they work with are known as tool. जो वो लोग काम करते वक्त जो यूज़ करते हैं things that are known as tools. Each tool has a name. A teacher uses chalk and a blackboard. Here some pictures are there. Doctor use syringe. He use which tool? Syringe. Carpenter saw. Farmer fluff. Artist paintbrush. Sweeper broom. Tailor needles and thread. I hope all of you understood about the workers and their tools. Thank you.